Have you ever truly wondered if it's possible to make real, life-changing money online? Not just a little extra cash, but enough to pay your bills, support your family, or even walk away from your 9-to-5 job for good? It's the question everyone asks, but almost nobody answers honestly. The internet is overflowing with bold promises of overnight riches and instant success, but most of the advice out there just leaves you feeling more confused, frustrated, and often even more broke than before. Here's the truth that rarely gets shared. There's no magic secret or shortcut, just a repeatable system that actually works if you stick with it. Most people fail, not because they aren't smart or hardworking, but because they keep chasing the next hot trend, jumping from one shiny opportunity to another, and never giving anything enough time to see real results. Meanwhile, so-called gurus profit from your confusion, selling you dreams and hype, but never giving you the real step-by-step blueprint you actually need. They love to show off their flashy lifestyles, exotic cars, luxury vacations, and designer clothes, while hiding the years of hard work, trial and error, and late nights that actually built their success. The reality is, building a real online income is much simpler than you think, but it absolutely requires focus, discipline, and a willingness to stick to the process. Forget the hype. There are no Lamborghinis, no get-rich-quick schemes, and no shortcuts that actually last. In this series, we're breaking down the real, proven methods that are quietly making ordinary people wealthy in 2025, methods that don't require you to be a tech genius or have a huge following, no fluff, no empty promises, just what actually works, step by step, so you can finally see results for yourself. So, are you ready to see how it's really done? Let's dive in and uncover the truth together. The biggest thing holding you back? The guru trap. These experts make money selling you courses not from the methods they teach. They use fake scarcity and testimonials to lure you in, promising effortless riches. You end up with a hard drive full of unfinished courses and a sense of failure. The truth, there's no magic bullet. Real online income comes from boring, proven business models, solving problems and being consistent. Gurus don't talk about this because work hard for 2 years doesn't sell. Stop chasing shiny objects. Focus on real, value-driven methods. Ignore the noise. Let's look at what actually works. Method 1. Become a niche content creator. This is one of the most overlooked ways to build a sustainable online income, and it's more accessible than ever before. Don't chase viral fame. Instead, focus on boring topics people genuinely need help with, like passing a certification, mastering Excel, or fixing a leaky faucet. These are everyday problems that thousands of people search for solutions to every single day. These audiences may be small, but they're highly motivated and often willing to pay for clear, actionable solutions. When you help someone solve a real problem, you become a trusted resource. You don't need fancy gear or a big budget to get started. Launch a simple blog or YouTube channel from your kitchen table or bedroom. Just focus on being helpful and authentic. Create content that answers specific questions people are searching for. Think about the problems you've solved in your own life, and turn those solutions into step-by-step guides, tutorials, or reviews. Don't worry about ad revenue at first. Instead, use affiliate marketing to monetize your content from day one. Recommend products, tools, or courses related to your niche and earn commissions when people buy through your links. Your honest recommendations can make a real difference for your audience. You don't need millions of views. Just a handful of buyers each month can add up to hundreds or even thousands in commissions over time. Remember, it's about quality, not quantity. The more value you provide, the more your audience will trust you and return for more. Focus on solving expensive or urgent problems, and you'll attract an audience that's ready and willing to spend money for the right solution. So, pick a niche, create genuinely helpful content, and recommend real solutions that you believe in. That's how you build a profitable online presence that grows steadily, even if you start small. Ready to learn the next method? Let's dive in. Method 2. The Digital Landlord Blueprint. This approach is all about building a stream of income by owning digital assets that work for you around the clock. Think of digital products as online real estate. Create them once and they can sell over and over again, even while you sleep. Ebooks, online courses, templates, printables. These are your digital assets. and each one has the potential to generate passive income for years to come. Start by identifying a problem in a niche you know or care about, then create a simple solution, maybe a budget spreadsheet, a short video course, or a set of helpful templates. List your product on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These sites handle payments, product delivery, and even some marketing so you can focus on creating. Drive traffic by making helpful content, blog posts, videos, or podcasts, and mention your product as the shortcut or solution your audience needs. Your first product might not be a hit, and that's perfectly normal. Every creator starts somewhere, and each launch is a learning experience. Build a portfolio of small digital products. Each one earning a little can add up to a lot over time, creating a steady stream of income. Over time, 10 to 15 products can bring in hundreds or even thousands of dollars every month, giving you more freedom and flexibility. It's passive, scalable, and doesn't require a huge investment, just your creativity and consistency. The key is to keep creating, keep improving, and never stop learning from your audience's feedback. Digital assets are the new way to build wealth online, offering anyone the chance to become a digital landlord. So, are you ready to take your first step and start building your own digital empire? You've seen the traps and the 2 real methods to make money online. The secret? Stop consuming, start creating. Pick one method and commit for at least 6 months. Choose a specific, boring problem to solve for a niche audience. Consistency beats talent or luck. Your first $1,000 online is built one blog post, one video, or one digital product at a time. Don't wait for perfect. Just start. Here's your challenge. Today, take one action. Pick your niche, brainstorm 10 content ideas, or outline a simple digital product. The most important step is the one you take right now. Break the cycle. Start building your online income today. Your future self will thank you.